Hello guys, today I will show you our new Bluetooth smart lock. It comes with the whole comprehensive set with all accessories in the package. Now I will show you how to install the smart lock step by step.
Insert the cylinder in the package. And the tailpiece should only extend max 15 mm but not less than 12 mm, so you will need to use 2 pliers or a wire cutter to shorten the tailpiece.
Choose the right lock screw to fix the cylinder. Mount the back plate, adjust it so that the tailpiece goes through its center hole, and finally tighten with screws. Select the shape adapted for the Euro cylinder lock and place it in the motor. Now you can install the smart lock. Align TH main button on the smart lock with the small triangle mark on the back plate, as well as with the tail pieces. Secure the smart lock with a small screw in the package. Install the decorative cover on the front side. Remove the front cover and the compartment cover to put the bat tries in. Until now, the installation is completed yet.
Long press the main button until you hear D. Dot and the indicator light turns to red.
Open your Smart app to add the device under the multifunctional gateway. After successfully added, you will need to calibrate the smart lock with 4 steps required by the app. Now you can remotely lock and unlock your door by smartphones. There is even the automatic lock switch featured to lock the door automatically when unlocked.
You can set the distance to unlock your door with its minimum range 100 m available.
Together with unlocking sensitivity check, close to unlocking the lock delay functional. You can add time-limited or one-time device access account to control the lock with your family or friends together.
You can add smart scenes with the smart lock to automate other smart devices when unlocked or locked. Such as triggering your smart lights when the door is unlocked while arriving home.
Alexa, unlock the
It is
Smart
compatible
Lock
with
Pro.
Alexa, Google Home, Tmall Genie, and
What's
other
your voice
voice
code for
assistants
Smart Lock
voice
Pro?
control your
1,
smart
2,
door
3,
lock.
4.
Unlocking. Hang on. The Smart Lock Pro is unlocked.
Alexa, lock the Smart Lock Pro.
Locking. Hang on. The Smart Lock Pro is locked.